Massive news from Alphabet came out after the market closed on Tuesday. The company is not going to have to sell or spin off its Chrome business. This is going to be huge for the company's ability to move into artificial intelligence. It's still going to be able to have that massive distribution platform to be able to collect all that data. Now, the ruling does say that Google is not going to be able to enter into exclusive contracts. It is going to have to share data with other companies. So we'll have to see exactly what the details are of this, but shares are up 6% after the market closed because this was one of the risks for Alphabet stock, was that the government was basically going to start to peel off their competitive advantage. The advantage for Alphabet in general with artificial intelligence is not just that they own the search engine, it's that they own the points of distribution. Android, Google Chrome is the most popular browser in the world today. So if they're going to be able to fend off competition from companies like ChatGPT, if they're going to be able to hold on to their search monopoly and then also extend that into AI, whatever that looks like in the future, Chrome is going to be a huge piece of that. So having to spin off Chrome, having to have Chrome as a business that's not really beholden to Alphabet's interests would have been really bad for the company. So I think this is positive news for investors. Obviously, the market sees it that way as well. And again, what you're going to want to look at here is how does Alphabet use Chrome to make artificial intelligence a sustaining technology for them? So the advantage that they've had over the past decade or more as they built out Chrome is that bar at the top of Chrome has now just become the Google search bar. It used to, back when the internet started, that used to be where you had to type in a website. Then there was a little bar next to that was maybe the Google search bar. Then it just became the entire thing was Google search. So that's how they've come to really dominate the browser. And the browser is just a massive, massive point of leverage for Alphabet. The fact that they control that means that they're able to fend off companies like Perplexity, like Anthropic, like ChatGPT. And we've seen with the advancements with Gemini models over the past few months that Google is no longer in any way behind in artificial intelligence models. Now it's going to be a case of, can they lean on those points of distribution and build out the business model before anybody else? Remember, ChatGPT is still burning billions of dollars per year. Alphabet has billions of dollars to invest in building out better infrastructure, building out their cloud business, improving TPUs, getting those more into phones. The new Pixel phone really leans into artificial intelligence. It's really the first AI-centric phone where you're giving up on some of the CPU, some of the traditional phone things to make it an AI device. So this is really the strategy for Alphabet. I think things are playing out extremely well. This was one of the big risk factors that's now been taken off the table. So I think really good news for Alphabet. We'll see if this move holds on Wednesday and in the future, but worth looking at. If you want more from me, check out Asymmetric Investing, a link on the screen and a link in the show notes. This is where I'm buying stocks every single month. Alphabet is one of them that I own in the asymmetric portfolio because I think this is a very underestimated company in artificial intelligence. They have more advantages than the market thinks. But I'm going to dig into this more. Just wanted to get this out quickly to let you know that this is a really big deal because Chrome is a valuable point of distribution for Alphabet. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you here next time.